You've seen tip videos, you've seen app lists, but what if I told you your iPhone is secretly the most underused productivity tool in your life? Segment 1. The Ruthless Home Screen Setup. First, I've ditched the dopamine traps. My home screen? One page. No social media, no fluff. Just a stack of focus mode widgets, my calendar, tick, and notes. Tip? Put your distracting apps in the app library or a folder labeled Time Sync. You'll think twice before tapping. Segment 2. Widgets that actually work. The Reminders widget with time-blocked to-dos, Screen Time to shame myself, and the Shortcuts widget with one-tap actions like Start Work Routine or Log Daily Journal. Segment 3. Focus modes. My favorite superpower. I've got 4 focus modes. Deep Work blocks everything except notes and calendar. Content mode. Only camera, voice memos, and notes. Chill Time. Silences work apps, promotes music. Sleep mode. Dim screen, bedtime reminders. Segment 4. Notes. App Mastery. You're sleeping on Apple Notes. I use Quick Note from Control Center. It's my digital sticky note. Set, start new notes. With body so you don't lose momentum. Add links from Safari with Add to Quick Note. And yes, audio memos and images too. Weekly review equals delete the junk, save the gold. Segment 5. Siri Shortcuts for life automation. Ever created a shortcut that emails your to-do list, turns on a focus mode, and plays lo-fi? All in one tap? You can. I have shortcuts like Morning Brief, reads calendar plus reminders. Start editing, opens LumaFusion, D&D, and turns on screen recording. Gym mode, plays a playlist, opens Strong app, sends at the gym to mom. Make your iPhone work for you, not against you. Segment 6. Safari's hidden power. Tab grouping. Game changer. I've got work, research, reading. I add articles to reading list, offline accessible, so I'm never bored productively. Bonus? Set a focus mode to auto-open your work tab group. Segment 7. Reminders plus natural language equals love. Reminders app isn't basic, if you talk to it right. Try this. Remind me to follow up with John next Thursday at 3 p.m. Done. Use subtasks for bigger projects. Pin the widget. Tag tasks with locations like grocery so they pop up when you're actually at the store. Segment 8. Email, but make it bearable. Apple Mail's category view? It works if you let it. Enable categories. Primary, transactions, updates, promotions. Set badge count to only primary. Turn off notifications for everything else. Result? Inbox Zen. Let me know in the comments. What's one iPhone trick you swear by? And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.